you ready?
No. Never.
Beautiful. The almighty Ecotech. Righto, we're back. 12s for 2K on the VX Commodore.
Yep.
Haven't come up with a name yet, but it'll happen.
Yeah, we'll find something.
We will. We've taken a whole bunch of weight out, gutted the thing.
Yep. Sits a little higher.
Sits a little higher. That's part of it.
Yep.
So what we're going to do now is make the exhaust.
Yep, get it done.
Couple little bull horns out the side. We've hacked all the exhaust off, the standard stuff, for the weight gain. It also gets rid of the cat.
Yep.
So yeah, a couple of bull horns out the side, get it out from underneath the car and shoot it up the side.
Yep, should make it rev a bit freer.
Hopefully. Get that nitrous glow. Hopefully we'll race at night.
That'd be cool.
That would be cool. So yeah, also it's sitting a bit higher, so we're probably going to look at chopping the springs, do the old Hitachi lowering kit.
Yep.
And maybe even sag the rears with the oxy. Go real old school.
Yeah.
The pigtails are a bit hard to cut. You lose your location.
They flop around a bit.
So we'll see how we go. We'd like the springs to stay in it.
Yeah.
So it'd be a bit embarrassing running down the strip with the springs falling out. But yeah, so for the exhaust, we've got this VE SS standard exhaust I was given by someone out of the scrap pile out the back. Just going to lop it off of the box, cut what we need to, and get this exhaust out the side.
It won't look pretty, but it should be functional.
Doesn't need to look pretty. Righto, let's do it, eh?
Yep.
So under the car, this is where we've hacked the exhaust off. We've pretty much kept the O2 sensor for the bung because Terry wants to put a wideband in just to make sure we're where we need to be. But as you can see, just out there. So the plan is down, across the bottom, and just a little right here. So yeah, that's the plan. We'll make it happen. Terry's just glued some pipe together. Comes out of where we had it. Yeah. Do a 2.5. Take a little balls on. See if it melts the paint. One out each side. We'll use scraps. It looks alright.
No, we don't come to play. Nah. No, we don't come to play. No. Nah. Hey, no, we don't come to play. Way we walk and way we talk, they know we don't come to play.
to this is the fun part. See how my spring compressors go. And these bad boys on each side. So. Hold on. I'll hold it, you undo it. Oh, I think you gotta rattle it off. Watch me drop the fucking ball bearings everywhere, yep. Only dropped one. They look pretty fucked. We might restack and put some grease in, that'll be good enough. We're just going to cut one coil out. So right there. I hope it's the right height after that. I said a Hitachi lowering kit, turns out it's a Makita lowering kit. Don't need that. Good news is the shock's fucked, which is real good for racing. Hold this, Terry. Doesn't even hold its own pressure. Ready for race. Get him?
Just.
It's good to me. That's one done. Rinse and repeat.
Squad up, brought whole team through. Friend wanna come say, oh please do. You got me, I got you. This every night like deja vu. Ooh, I'm looking steezy. Yo girl, she looking easy. I know they got this on repeat. Tricking out, I need a DD. I know you see me, yeah. Why you so greedy? Ay, I know you won't beat me, yeah. Why you so needy? Ay, I gotta keep it 100. My money abundant, my project is funny. My homie is wanted, but he never done it. We came a long way, now we at the summit. Yeah.
See if it comes off the hoist now. Need to jump on it, Terry. Because it's made no difference. But he must have taken some weight out because that's a full coil out. Still high as. Oh well, let's fire it up and see what that exhaust sounds like. Let them springs settle in a bit. Yep. Holy shit! Very loud. Oh well, race All right, well, that was pretty eventful.
Yeah,
The front's kind of low.
didn't change much.
Not much. It is what it is. We'll bring the back down level and sits up a bit.
Yeah, go from there.
Exhaust works.
Yep,
Does things.
sounds good.
Terry changed the churn a little bit, so the D-cell spits some pretty good flames.
It does that nicely.
So we're pretty happy with that. It's very loud in the shed. I mean, it's probably going to be very loud not in the shed.
It'll be loud anyway.
Nice. Well, I'm looking forward to it.
Yep, should be good fun.
Well, that'll be enough for one episode, I think.
Yep.
We didn't get to the oxy and the rear springs, but we might just tack that into the next video.
Yeah.
Going to take it out to your work and
Give it a wash and
give it a pressure wash.
give it a good clean.
Sounds good. And while we're out there, we may as well use Tom's oxy.
Yep.
He's all about race car things.
Yeah, he doesn't mind.
That's good. He's a legend. So yeah, that's how it's coming along. We're still not spent much money.
No.
At this stage, it's still all been labour. It's not going to be a real nice car to drive.
No.
Taking all the luxury out of it.
There wasn't much luxury to begin with.
Yeah, it was an executive. It was the bottom of the line. Anyway, we'll go from there and
Yep.
we'll keep plodding along until race day.
Looking
Sweet.
forward to it.
Hell yeah. Alright, you want to rattle him? Or, oh, for fuck's sake.